Welcome back in. The number of confirmed monkeypox cases in the U.S. is now over 22,000, and on Monday, the CDC confirmed the first death from the virus.
Officials say a Los Angeles resident with a severely weakened immune system who had been hospitalized died from the virus. Deaths from monkeypox are extremely rare, but more likely among babies, pregnant women, and people with weakened immune systems like HIV.
There's a lot to talk about with this ongoing monkeypox outbreak. There's even a push right now to rename the virus, which health officials are concerned has a stigma.
Could that actually happen, though? Here's Abby Larico to verify.
What's in a name? Well, public health officials and advocates say quite a bit. And in the case of monkeypox, there's concern negative connotations with the name could mean people avoid recommended vaccines and treatments.
First response is let's provide care to those who are living with the infection. But in the process, we realize, whoa, here we go. This is a name that is complicated, to say the least.
So we're verifying, can the name monkeypox be changed? We found out from Dr. Carlos Rodriguez Diaz, a public health professor at George Washington University, the World Health Organization, and the International Committee on the Taxonomy of Viruses. Keep in mind, monkeypox, the disease that comes with painful lesions and is spread mostly through skin contact, is caused by infection with monkeypox, a species of virus. Another example of this is COVID-19, the disease caused by the virus SARS-CoV-2. The World Health Organization is actually taking submissions online right now for new names after the WHO's director announced the organization would change what it calls the disease to better align with their naming best practices that minimize harm.
Over time, we have learned, particularly applying social sciences to the health field, that there are ways to communicate and name things.
But it's not entirely up to the WHO. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses formally names virus species, and the official species name is also monkeypox. While a process is underway to rename it, that's part of a larger ongoing effort to give viruses a standard genus species format name, like you might have learned about with plants and animals in your school days.
We can work on the messaging that is necessary to contain the outbreak, while we also reduce stigma.
So we can verify, yes, the name monkeypox can be changed. But to what, and if the word monkey will still be present, we don't know yet. With your Verify, I'm Abby Larico.
The World Health Organization has already changed what it calls to two monkeypox variants that had previously been given geographic names.
If you have more questions about the monkeypox virus or how to get a vaccine, we've got answers in our special Facts Not Fear, Stop the Spread, Stop the Stigma. And you can watch it on our streaming service, WUSA 9 Plus or WUSA9.com.